The most beautiful part of the global Muslim community is how strongly we stand together to benefit humanity. Or at least, that's how it should be. Unfortunately, our community is in turmoil. The modern world has our moral compasses spinning wildly. Our ideas and ethics are confused, and we are plagued by doubt. Our identity is lost. We need something that gives our community direction and purpose. So we built what we needed most, Yaqeen, a compass pointing the way to truth. All of our work is centered on three areas: dismantling doubts to recalibrate our hearts towards truth, nurturing conviction to navigate along the path of faith, and inspiring contribution to empower our community to guide others and benefit humanity. It starts by understanding you. Where are you on your individual journey to faith? Surveys, research, and data analysis help us chart the course, focusing on what matters most to you. Our research team produces peer-reviewed publications and reports that are Islamically authentic and academically rigorous. Our media production team brings Islamic knowledge to life, translating deep scholarship into compelling formats, short and long-form videos, engaging social content, and immersive curricula for classrooms and communities alike. With books, discussion guides, and resources designed to meet you where you are, we're right there with you, enhancing your learning experience and deepening your connection to faith. And in times of crisis, we're there too, with timely, faith-oriented resources that illuminate, comfort, and inspire. The digital world is our current battleground for truth. Misinformation, peddled by the Islamophobia industry, snakes through mainstream thought faster than ever. That's why we're bringing truth to the tech space. In the age of the convenient chatbot, we clear the path, leveraging the latest technologies to weed out bias and guide millions to accurate knowledge about Islam. We're not just responding to the algorithm, we're rewriting it. And our impact is global, reshaping the world's understanding of Islam, one click, view, and heart at a time. Through Yaqeen, we are reorienting people of all backgrounds back to faith. By staying rooted in our three focus areas, we empower people to become confident Muslims who drive meaningful change in society. We are reclaiming our narrative to nurture an ummah that lights the way ahead for all of humanity. And when the world sets us spinning, Yaqeen points the way.